Lymphedema is a debilitating disorder that affects 4 out of 10 women who have breast cancer resection surgery. Oftentimes, lymph nodes will be removed, and as those lymph nodes are removed, it leads to edema that develops over time that has no cures today. Symptoms can be managed with steroids or compression devices, but at best, there's maybe about a 10 to 15% reduction in swelling. And so it's a lifelong challenge that patients have to deal with.
When the lymphatic system is impacted or disrupted, that lymph fluid that should be normally removed from the tissues is now pooling in the tissue. Our Elixir platform is an implantable system, living actual pharmacy that produces the signal that is needed to repair the lymphatic vessels.
We've been working on this for a while now, and we're really excited to partner with ARPA-H in order to accelerate the translation of this promising idea into a clinical product in the next 5 years.
Not only is it regulating the repair of those lymphatic vessels, but it's also able to repair the microenvironment of lymphedema as a whole.
While we're excited about the opportunity for making a big impact in breast cancer patients' lives, there's actually a range of other cancers that are affected with this disorder, as well as individuals who have what's called primary lymphedema, where they are born with lymphatic abnormalities, and this platform can also be leveraged to help them as well.
I was really motivated hearing of lymphedema, learning about lymphedema, hearing from the advocacy groups, the patients, as well as the clinicians, what an unmet need this is in the US and globally. Once I graduated with my PhD here at Rice, I had this opportunity to join as a Rice Biotech Launchpad Fellows over at RBL and Rice Biotech Launchpad Accelerator. That really allowed me to be in a space where we can have that translate into a company to help us get now into the clinic and into commercialization.
We're working with folks from Harvard, MD Anderson, Texas Children's, Northwestern, and really our mission is to create these solutions such that they're scalable, they're affordable, and can be a platform that actually can treat a range of lymphatic disorders.